mbalamusiza mikwano muli mutya waliwo ayogera waliwo agamba mukikonyemu nalo namanya mampita bino baby nkola ne Cheda Kawumuzanya Dembe FM neranga bannaye mikwano nze ndi musanyufu nate ngambye banenga ntidde n'okujja angamba album egenda kubeerako nnyimba ki naye ndi musanyufu nti it cuts across neranga nsanyuse nnyo okulaba nti kyendabyeko ekitono made in Africa kyekyo. Kenzo, we love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Nzeno sitera kuogera manye kuogera ku radio, so I'd like to respect you Kenzo always. You've never disappointed me, brother. Telling you you've never, and I'm very certain it's gonna be massive. This album is gonna be massive. Only one thing, Omanye, I've lived long enough of witnessing a lot of changes in the world. There's a time twabirangane albums back zifulumira ku tape. Kati ate tuyingidde mu generation eyamwe ey'okutulira online. So back then twakolanga oluyimba lumu ne lubeera nga lwe lwakabi ne lutunda album naye ndaba nga zino mukoze ennyimba zonna nnungi ezigenda okutambuza album. So I'd like to big upon yourself, brother. This is really nice. You've never disappointed me.
Yeah, thank you very much. Our pictures this Makula Omnene. Omuntu suwakabako wecha makatsa again ngero nyingi. Kenzo, as my brother said, you've never disappointed me. For the years I've been around, chulicholeta chikirizibwa nchecho. One thing I'm worried about, Ogambye, bana Uganda, by the kanchogere mu camera, mumanyidwa mu pirating aba computers, mutuyambe kanote mukappa. Kanote mukola ki?
I want to thank Eddie Kenzo Obambi. Big up on us, musajja gwe. Atonda kuongere bingi bro. Sina bingi bya kuongera naye nga bro. Jotunuze kuwolya music industry ya Uganda. You trying to kubanga Kenzo ayina eddoboozi eddene erisinga gaffe. You understand? Agezaako okutu akikoze man like openings abantu okubalaga baba bagala okuyamba abantu baabwe n'abayimbi baabwe ne industry yaabwe kibalina okukola. Man, sina bingi bya kwogera nabyogedde naye nga Kenzo. God bless you, bro. Bless you. Sure.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Nze naita musamale album awedde kati tulinze mugole.
Eddie Kenzo. It's a very nice album. The music is so nice. It's so African. Represents who you are because you're African. We are so proud of you as Ugandan musicians. Thank you very much.
Amanya Nedevos Spice Diana, and I would like to thank everyone that has made it today. The media, the fans, thank you so much. You guys, Mwemutfula Chetuli. And for Eddie Kenzo, I want to thank you for what you've done for the Ugandan industry. Bane msoke mumumperengale zamani Eddie Kenzo. We shall never have another Eddie Kenzo mu Uganda emyaka gyonna. Muchongere ngale zamani. Tumusime nga chali mulamu kubanga there's no one that has represented Uganda like Eddie Kenzo outside there. Atenga buli nsi yonna kyeyagala, buli nsi eyagala ebeere n'omuntu nga representing Uganda oba ensi yaabwe wabweru eyo. So Eddie Kenzo, thank you so much, you've done it. You're an inspiration, fenna tulabira kugwe, and thank you so much for supporting us. Kubanga byonna byotuseeko wandibadde totwetaaganga ffe abayimbi abaakajja omulembe guno naye webale nnyo Mukama akwongere byonna byosinga okwagala ate album eno bambi basaba support it kubanga ye kati embeera gye tugenda okuddamu ng'abayimbi bwe tuba twagala okugenda maaso. Thank you so much ladies and
gentlemen. Good evening ladies and gentlemen. Amanya n'eddoboozi Waiki Benda njagala kutumira ku Bina Baby. Yeah, I want to thank my brother Eddie Kenzo for the great music. But most importantly, I want to thank you for believing in yourself. Because more than anything, but it's up to you. And much respect to you, my brother. Njagadde okwamplifyinga ekintu kyayogedde eri abantu abatulaba eyo waka newa gyonna gye muli. Please mugule music wa bannayuganda. Mulekera kugamba nti Eddie Kenzo lwaki video ye eriweti nga ya Wizkid eriweta. Mutereko sente kati akwate video zoyagala. Support Ugandan music. Much love and respect. Why keep it?
Amanya Nedebozi from Chadre Kali. The message I have for young Mandela is Omani, for me, these are lessons for me and the people the people like me. Tulaba, Netuiga, then Netukopa, and I hope we have picked something from here. Thank you very much.
Musuzai Eddie, we're proud of you. Really proud of you. You make it feel like everything is possible. And this is a stepping stone. In my gut, interviewing Angamba, we could see a Grammy coming to Uganda for us. You've given us hope. I think let me take the microphone.
Bani tuliwasanyi kunyo kuwalawa wanako lwalero. Ate era tuli very proud okula Eddie Kenzo. Eddie Kenzo abadde kusinga B2C. Eddie Kenzo atubeereddewo nnyo mukwano gwaffe, muganda waffe mu industry eno tumigiddeko ebintu bingi nnyo. Kansooke ntwala omukisa guno kumwebaza benna yakoledde B2C ne industry at large. Thank you so much my brother. Era nga tukukongratulatinga olw'eno album yo. Big up on yourself, tukwagala nnyo nga B2C.
Nange akagambo sijakaleka. Eddie, we love you so much. Eddie, omuntu yatugamba nti B2C, I will never let you guys go down. I'll never. Every day, every time. Bwe mpulira nga oli mulinga abakka nanzija ngamba kwata ku mukono. And era yatukwata ku mukono. Era ne kati akyatukutte ku mukono. So Eddie Kenzo, we are so proud of you. Ekintu kya album tukitandise mu Uganda. Naffe tuli mu compiling the album. I think Ugandans, let's support our music. Let's support us. Obera mu group z'abantu abensi endala tolyayo music wa Uganda, olya music waabwe yekka. Ate obera mu group ye Uganda n'owulira nga wali ennyimba z'abantu abalala batali bana Uganda ate nga babawagira nnyo. So nze mbadde ndowooza we twagala ekyaffe tugenda kweyimusa. Eddie Kenzo, thank you so much. Big up on yourself.
Sebale banyabo amanya Mr. from B2C. Nange natwala omukisa guno okuyozayoza Eddie album eno. Eddie webale nnyo okubeera example ennene, okubeera big man, okoze ebintu ate naffe tutunuulira nnyo ebintu by'okoze fulani naffe tugezaako kutuukatuukako awo. Webale nnyo, big up on yourself.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wamanya Nedebozi. I think you are such a very big blessing. Tingena kufuna umra, jengendo kufuna because of you still. Niranche baliza Allah because of you still. I believe in you from day one. I love the sound you put to the album. First of all, and how we sport out our producers every song, each and every song. It is an art in you that is really so special about you. The other thing is how you choose people. I've seen the make of Burna Boy album, and I think according to your album, you're close to what he has done, and I know from that point to Sobolopuleta Grammy in Uganda from Eddie Kenzo. I love you so much, bro, and I always do. Thank you so much for Made in Africa. Thank you.
It's one of the biggest albums we shall have ever. Babanga Mati Kenzo was going to do a remix of Miss Sonwa, Bolomita Mishua. I got worried. Wangu mkaza imba nyo, na yimu akoze justice. You have, in an album, it is not a playlist, but it is an album. Thank you very much. Kachumulimu kwa Faori Media is to go and make noise, lay strategies, lay modalities of pushing to have Grammy Awards, because Kenzo aina sound, a sort of guy. Thank you very much.
Again, one more Kenzo Naki. To all the artists who came, I'm going to leave you out. I'm going to sign out by saying my name is Salvador. It has been an honor hosting this legendary album.